Go.
All right. So my project is gonna be about the childhood. So for the first question is, what is your trait makes us uniquely human, and who was your partner? So our topic was about childhood, and my group was Vinny and Andre. Next question. What are you building to illustrate that trait? So I was thinking, I mean, I had already started doing a puzzle. So I have the idea to take a puzzle of like a little boy drop and then take a little dog and start to building each part basically and how long they take to develop their skills as for example how long it takes to learn to walk, to speak, and to be able to eat solid food, and how long they take to speak. I know like dogs don't actually speak our own language, but like how long does a human takes to start to talk and everything. For the question number three, how are you hoping it would work? How do you think the child would use it to learn? So as I mentioned it before, the puzzle would be like dividing some parts, like oh, this part is how long um, a human need to start to walk between 10 to 14 months. So that piece of the puzzle would be like, for example, one one tenth of the whole puzzle, and from the for the dog would be like two, for example, because their childhood is not as long as ours, because their childhood could be between 3 and 6 weeks. So for the next question, how do you think the child would use it to learn? So it's basically that I said, like they would see the difference between humans and animals, especially dogs. That is the example that I use it for the puzzle. They would be able to see the difference, how long will we take to learn and how long does the dog take to learn and improve and develop everything. For the next question, what did you learn about the trade task this process? That the human, we have like a long childhood. We take actually 18 years to develop all of our brain, and we take so long to learn things that animals can learn very quickly, like in a week or 2 weeks. And for example, we take like months and sometimes years to learn something. Question number five, what have you learned about the sets humans apart from animals? That is a good, first is a bad thing that we have a long childhood, because it takes us too long to completely, like for our brain completely be like construction like be done and developed. And this is kind of bad because we take so long to just do some things that are kind of easy for the other animals. But also the good thing is that's like the good thing is because we take so long to develop our childhood and our brain is something good because I forgot the word, sorry. um, what is the word? Oh, because our brain would be like, how can I say, like better, and also we would be more intelligent. We would be like superior to them because our brain would be like perfect. And that's my presentation.